Kagalingan mga guys. Nakadalilan sa Sibulan, Poblacion 5. Shout out sa nangaligo dire sa Sibulan.
Ikaw. Pwede kayo. Pwede kayo. Paskrop na. Ilid. Lain kang sulog. Only ako kang sulog. Bakit?
Okay guys, good morning. I will
Huwag katubangan na.
Ito rin mga birahan naman ako sa pamburot.
We are actually professional mountaineers. But, okay, 1, 2, 3, pull. Yeah.
Oh, very nice.
Okay. Give a little space to do anti-board.
Yes, sir.
You have a hard time holding on the strap. Okay. Ayan inside. Ayan inside. Okay, sige.
Masabay ko dito.
Sabay ko diya. Okay, the boat should be closer.
Dol ka my brad.
Sorte my baje hai Mendur Khan na kudu awas kar na.
Okay, turn around. Hold your hand. Make a space. Make a space. Hold your hand like this.
Space, space, make it space, make it space.
Done right. Now we can go.
Very strong.
Really? Yes, the heart is very strong last time.
Now swim towards the kayak.
You fishing here?
Yeah, sometimes.
Night or day?
I've already tried here night.
Night only.
Yeah, night.
Okay, listen here.
That's the word.
Okay, you wave. That is your distress signal when you notice a boat. If you're swimming, go down and keep your balance. You need to keep your legs close to your chest. Your aircraft.
Wing.
Yes. Since it's hollow, it floats. It will float. Okay? But the problem is it's drowning or it's submerging. Okay? You need to let go of the wings. Because do not try to swim. The rest of you do not try to swim. Just relax.
Kaya.
Okay, stop. When it seems that the boat is still far from your location and you cannot drag them, cross your legs. Very good.
Wait, sir, please! Sir, please, give me a second, please.
Okay.
Wait, I have to ask something. If I go down, I will come out automatically.
Yes, yes, you will float. Yes, you will float.
Wait, I forgot. I'm so sorry. I'm scared. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Tell me when you're already good.
Yeah.
You good? You have to.
Oh, yeah, I am.
This is an emergency.
Yes.
Okay? 1, 2, 3, jump. Very good. Just cross your legs. Do not forget to cross your legs. Grab.
Mommy.
That's how you warm your lungs.
God, I'm sorry.
Can I blow my whistle?
Someone is kicking on my leg. I'm not fit for this. Come on, don't panic. I cannot grab. You cannot pull if you're panicking. Okay, I just hold my back then. Hold my back.
Sarap lang lago nito.
Come on, the name of Philippines. The name of Philippines. Why are you going away? Pedaling pa daw. Kasi si Mon.
Business call. Please here. Please, forward your next word.
I am also in this fun.
Don't panic, just relax. Relax down. Okay, come over here. Yeah.
Like I'm going away.
No.
I'm going away, sir. I swear I'm going away.
No, you're not going away.
You're going to Santander. Report Santander.
Oh, you're very funny. Okay, you can sit there.
Okay, next.
Pull up.
Wait lang.
Go Philippines!
Go Philippines!
Go Nepal!
Try na pa ako.
Gosh, it's very light. Do not take off your belt or at least like this.
Can help you. Anyway, for the ladies, how's your experience? Sir, please, dili ka kanan sir, please. Go picture mo. Sir, go picture.
Para ang color ba?